Brass, great to hear from you. Thank you so much for your message. These are the shoes I want repaired. My grandpa wore them often, so they're quite worn out. But I would love to continue to wear them. I played a lot with my grandpa. He liked to go out to watch the circus or maybe the cinema. Sometimes we'd go eat at a diner and order some apple pie. Usually it was 1 apple pie, 1 cup of coffee, and 1 glass of cola for me. He always took the rest of my apple pie though. I always got too full to finish it all. He often fell asleep in the cinema. Maybe it was a bit boring for him when we watched children's movies. If I could now, I would go and see anything he wanted. Anyway, I was just a kid. There were times where I'd be playing video games all day. He'd come over to me and say, "Go outside, play some sports." It's already been a week or so since he passed, but I can't help but feel he's in a better place. I ended up going into his room to tidy up. He always had certain things that were his favorite. He would use them again and again through repair. That's why he was always wearing the same stuff. After I found his boots in his room, I thought it might be possible he already asked you guys for a repair in the past. The soles are totally worn out. Do you think it will be possible to wear them again? He only wore 4 pairs of shoes, but it seems these were his most favorite. would often go on walks, and I can remember these were the boots he was wearing. Actually, another issue for them is that they're a bit too small for me. It would be great if you could actually stretch them out maybe a half size. I hope by wearing these boots that his spirit will live on. Thank you so much, Logan.